Hi everyone. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to create an email signature. Usually, nakita natin yung email signature when we compose a message or create a message. Here, mag-pop up siya. It is composed of your name, your signature, your contact information, your address, your designation, your team, and even your social media accounts is included. Okay? Now, I'm going to teach you on how to create. Ito yung way na to, napanood ko lang din somewhere and then I'm going to share it to you guys. Maraming ways, pwede kayong maraming email signature for free na generator na pwedeng mag-create for you guys or pwede kayong mag-create sa Word mismo, Microsoft Word. But this one is CocoSign. So as you can see, just fill it up. Kung ano nilalagay nyo dito sa left side, naglalabas dito sa blank sheet. Okay, so let's say manager, SMM, our social media manager. And then, department ko, let's say media. Company is VA Allies. Phone number 9, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's say website, if I have my own website or even yung kaya yung client ko, pwede nyong lagay. But this time, ilalagay ko lang tong nasa YouTube channel ko. And then, email ko, at gmail.com. Address, Dasma, Cavite. Once makompleto ko yung first part, yung social naman, so pwede nyo i-click yan kung ano yung mga gusto nyong mag-appear. So nakita nyo yung red, yan, nag-a-appear siya. Let's say, ang gusto ko lang ilagay yung Facebook ko, copyhin nyo lang yung link, and then paste here. Ayan, kapag na-paste nyo na yan dyan, yan, okay na yan, then images. So, like your picture here, dapat nakasave daw siya sa Dropbox or Google Drive or similar site. Tapos, copyhin nyo lang yung pinaka-link niya. This one, copy link. And then, paste nyo lang dito. Then, design. Okay na ako dito sa design. Ready yung social media. Okay na ako. Okay. And then, may mga templates siya dito sa baba, guys. So, mamimili na lang kayo kung ano yung gusto nyong templates. Okay. So, ako, pipiliin ko siguro, ito na lang. Okay. Tapos, copy signature. Then, go back dito. Punta lang kayo ng see all setting. This one. Setting. See all setting. And then, down. May kita nyo dito, signature. Tapos, create. Let's say, name ng signature ko, Mon. Create natin. Paste lang natin dito. So, meaning to say, pwede kayo mag-create ng maraming signature. Mag-create nyo lang kayo. But this time, paste na natin to. And then, click nyo lang to, itong box, and then yung mon yung pipiliin natin. And then, insert, signature. Check lang natin yung box. Okay? And then, save changes. Okay? So, tingnan natin ulit. Check natin yung compose. So, as you can see, it's here na. Okay? If you have questions, guys, comment lang kayo. Thank you.